Hello, welcome back. So today, tuturuan ko kayo ng math tricks. So ang unang trick na ituturo ko sa inyo ay ang double digits trick. So for example, pag multiply kayo ng double digit numbers, so double digits from 10 to 99, ito yung trick na pwede nyo gamitin para mas madali nyong makuha ang sagot. So let's have our pattern first. So ito siya. So kunwari si A, B, at C at D ay mga numbers natin. So si A times C, una, then A times D, then B times C, at B times D. Para mas madali nyong makuha, let's use some real numbers. So for example, we have 1, 2 times 3, 4. Okay, so we have A times C. 1 times 3, we have 3. 1 times 4, we have 4. 2 times 3, we have 6. And 2 times 4, we have 8. So, this time, i-add nyo lang siya. So, 8, bring down nyo lang. 4 at 6, 10. So, 0. Carry 1. So, 4. Therefore, 12 times 34 is 408. Another one. Okay. Another one, pwede rin yun siyang gamitin sa kahit anong double digit number. For example, we have like a decimal. Like maybe let's use percentage. 43% of 65. So if makikita nyo yung word of, meaning nun is multiplication or multiply. Ayan. Okay, so let's do A at C. 4 times 6, we have 24. 4 times 5, we have 20. 3 times 6, we have 18. 3 times 5, we have 15. Okay, then add lang natin. So we have 5, we have 9, we have 7, we have 2. At since siya, percentage siya, so may dot siya dito. So 1, 2. So we have 27.95. So 43% of 65 is 27.95. And if you find this video helpful, please consider pa-follow naman. And comments nyo lang kung anong mga problems ang gusto nyong gawan natin ng solutions or tricks. See you!